Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a isometric view and this part is a union design, and this body is a fully gate wall project, and this part is a okay, this gate wall project, a part of this gate wall project, and this is a union design and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and also 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a all dimension, all geometry is looking here, you can see here easily and clearly. And this is a assemble body, all parts is assemble here, and this final project is a gate wall project, and this union part is designed here. Okay, today discuss here a very important lecture. This lecture is very important for beginner student, and okay, and some zoom, this is a okay, this is a correct, and also this is a perfect, and all dimension is you can see here easily. And this is a at first drawing a center line and drawing this body is separate and this body is separate, and this middle body is this is a hexagon, and below side a body and upper side a body is this geometry is looking here, and this is a hexagon is drawing here and connect to both body. Okay, at first one body separately is drawing here easily. Okay, and let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a body is drawing here easily and clearly looking perfect, and isometric view is also perfect looking here, and all geometry and all line is perfect here, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is looking perfect, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first some setting is drawing here, very important. This is a plain white, and going to option, document properties, image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and all is perfect, and at first select a right plane because right plane is better. Okay, at first drawing this select a center line, very important, and center line distance is a midpoint. This line select and press a control button, and this point is selected, and this is a midpoint. Okay, and align this dimension. This dimension is a 50 millimeter. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. This is a 50 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and some geometry is draw here, and this geometry is this. Okay, and this is a perfect, and draw a line. Line is this, and this drawing this geometry, and this geometry is perfect. Okay, and this line is connect to this. Okay, drawing this, and and connect to this. Okay, and this line is this. Okay, and this line is a vertical. Okay, align a dimension is this. This is a 1 millimeter. Okay, at first this is a line is this. Select 1 millimeter this, but and this line is a delete here, and also delete here. Connect to this and select a line, draw a line. This is this to this, and this line is a vertical. And also select this line is a 1 millimeter. And 1 millimeter and perfect, and this to this line is a 12 millimeter, and this point to this line is a 20 millimeter. And this line is a draw 18 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter is perfect. And this point is drag here. And this point to this line is a vertical, and and this is a all is, and also this and this is a 2 millimeter is perfect. All is a black color, means this is a fully defined. This symmetry is draw here. This is a perfect, and next geometry is also drawing here. All is a perfect, and this is a this geometry is a, you can see here, this is a 20 millimeter. And this is 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. You can see here, this is a 20 millimeter, and this is a 18 millimeter and 13 millimeter. And this height is a this to this is a height is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 1 millimeter, and radius is 2 millimeter. All is perfect, but this 18 millimeter is this is a this height is this circle is drawing here this, but this is a all is perfect, and next geometry is a drawing here, and this select a line is a drawing this this is a connect to this line is drawing here, this to this drawing a geometry, and connect this line is a simple geometry is draw here, and all dimension is a connect to this, and this is line is a some line is inclined and connect to this, and this line is this. Okay, and align all dimension. All dimension is a perfect and correct. At first select this line, and this point is a okay, this point and this point is a horizontal, and also this point and this point is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension. Dimension is this. This is a 10 millimeter. This to this 10 millimeter, and also this is a dimension is a 12 millimeter, and this is a incline is a 1 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 7 millimeter is this, and this use a 6 millimeter is this. Okay, and this line is also 1 millimeter. Perfect, and next is this distance is 11 millimeter, and also this is okay, and also 11 millimeter is okay, and this is delete here some relation, not this is a perfect, some relation is this, delete here, and line is drawing this. Okay, this line is drag here because this relation is not okay, and this use this is 11 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this is 8 millimeter, and this use 3.5 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this use this, and this 7 millimeter and 1 millimeter is this. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this also this. Okay, and next, and this is a use this line is this is distance is this 11 millimeter, and also this 11 millimeter, and this is 1 millimeter, and height is this is 8 millimeter, and also this height is 8 millimeter, this, and this is 3.5 millimeter, and also this is 1 millimeter, and this is 7 millimeter, and 10 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is this. This is 12 millimeter, and this is 10 millimeter, and this is 7 millimeter, and also this is 6 millimeter and 7 millimeter. Okay, all dimension is looking perfect and correct. This is correct. All is black color, and some dimension is this, and this dimension is perfect. Okay, okay, and all dimension is correct, and going to revolve boss and use this to this. Okay, all is perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and sketch, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this hexagon. Okay, and again select a circle, is drawing here, this to this, but some dimension is showing here. This circle diameter is 18 millimeter, and this is a hexagon. Hexagon is a connect to this 2 point is a 27 millimeter. Also at first select this point, and this point is a vertical. Okay, select this two line is a 27 millimeter, and circle diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and going to extrude boss, apply here, and this is a perfect, and going to up to surface, and surface, this surface is connect. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all union and all point is a perfect and correct, drawing here, and some material is apply here, and this is a use a nickel. Nickel is polished, nickel is perfect and correct. Okay, this union part is easily drawing here, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, and this union part and all dimension is you can see here easily, and drawing this part, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, get any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And guys, today discuss here a very important project discuss here, and this project is a grease nipple design. Okay, and this grease nipple design is very useful and helpful. All today drafting is okay. This is a dimension is all dimension is clear looking here, and all dimension is perfect. Okay, you can see here easily and clearly all dimension is looking here. And today discuss here a very important project discuss here, and today discuss here one by one in all project, all point is discussed here one by one. And this is a thread value, this is a thread value is also available here. Okay, and this project is drawing here easily and clearly. Okay, and all point is discuss here one by one, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And this is a use a section view, and section view is also available here. This is a perfect, and this is a nipple, and this is a round is this mouth is closed. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, this is a perfect and correct, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first click a part is this, and some setting is very important. Use a plain white, and this is a going to option property, and this is a document property, and use image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and this body is perfect. Okay, at first drawing some geometry, and this geometry is a click here. This body is design. At first this is a radius is 6 millimeter is curve, and this curve is 2 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 4 millimeter, and this distance is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and this center distance is a 5 millimeter, and this full distance is 8 millimeter radius and distance, and this middle is a 6 millimeter. And okay, select a plane, front plane, and select a line. Line is a draw a line is a below the origin point, and this is a okay, drag a curve is this, and also this is a curve is also select here. Okay, and drag a straight line, and this line, and this is a okay, and this line is a this connect to this. Okay, and this line is very important. Okay, and some geometry is a define here, and this point, center point, and this origin point, this is a coincident. Okay, this is a very important. And align a dimension is this curve is a 6 millimeter, and this curve is a 2 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and also this distance is a 5 millimeter, and this point to this line distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this center point to this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and all is a this is a fully defined. Okay, and this line is a okay, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this is a use a horizontal. Okay, and this line is a also vertical line, and all is perfect. This okay, all is correct and perfect. And use a this is a revolve boss, and click this. Okay, all is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, next point is discuss here. This is a drawing this hexagon. Hexagon is distance is a hexagon. This is a hexagon distance is 14.3, and a circle is drawing. This is a 18. Okay, at first select this face, sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is a this, and also drawing a circle. Circle is a this. This is a bigger circle is drawing here, and this is a vertical line. A vertical line is drawing here, and dimension is this point to is a 14.3. 14.3 is perfect, and this circle is a 18. Okay, and 14.3 is perfect because this is a curve is a this some upper side line is perfect. and also 2 is better. 14.33 is perfect, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 5 mm because this is a perfect, and click OK. OK and correct. OK, all is looking perfect and correct. OK, and next is this, and also select a OK. Next point is select this, and OK, and this is a fillet is 0.5 mm is fillet. Use a fillet 0.5. This is a and perfect. Okay, and some important point is discuss here. This is a perfect. A 3.5 mm is perfect, and one is also, this is cutout is a 3 mm and 23 mm is cutout. Also this face sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a 3 mm, and this is a perfect 3 mm, and this cutout is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is up to 23 mm. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect line. Select here. Okay, this is a perfect, and 23 is a correct. Okay, this is a better, and also use a, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is use here this, use this is a, okay, this is a perfect plane. Okay, one is a missing point, and this is use a, this is a 10. Okay, this is a perfect. 10 mm is perfect. Some missing point, and this length is a 10 mm, and click OK. Okay, and section view is also, click OK, and also OK. All is perfect, and use a chamfer. Okay, use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 1 mm, and click this, and click OK. And next is use this, use a front plane. Okay, use a right plane, and use a plane this, and this plane is a, select a 3.5 mm. Okay, and click OK. This is a perfect, and select this sketch normal. Okay, and draw a circle. Circle is a this, this circle is drawing here, and this circle diameter is a this. Okay, this is a diameter is a cutout, and this cutout diameter is a, okay, and this diameter is a 10.5. Okay, this is a 10.5 is perfect, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a use this is a direction is reverse, and click OK. Okay, this is perfect, and this plane is hide. This plane is hide. Okay, and again select a front plane, sketch, normal. Okay, and drawing a second sketch, and second sketch is also very nice and very important. Okay, and some use a select a line. Line is a select this point, a select a line. Okay, and this line is a this to this point, and also this drag a curve is a this to this and connect to this. This is a very important. And also this line is a 12 millimeter. Okay, this 12 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and also this is a 4 millimeter, and this line is a 3 millimeter, and also this line is also 3 millimeter. Okay, and because this line is a perfect, this distance is 3 millimeter, and also this is 3 millimeter. This distance is 3 millimeter and also 3 millimeter, and this distance is 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 4 millimeter. Correct, 5 millimeter and 4 millimeter, and this curve is a 2.6 millimeter, and this is a fillet is 1 millimeter. Okay, and all is perfect, and this distance is a 5.2 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 5.2 millimeter, and this curve is a 2 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 3 millimeter is also, and this line to this is a 5 millimeter. Okay, because this is a 5.2 millimeter, and okay, this is a 5.2 millimeter, and this is a curve is a 2.6 millimeter. Okay, 2.6 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a perfect, but this point to this distance is a okay, this line is delete here, and this point to this distance is a 5.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and all is correct, but this is a 4.5 millimeter, and all is correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect. This is a 4 millimeter, and this is a 5 millimeter, 2.6 millimeter. This cutout is a 2 millimeter, and this is a length is a 12.7 plus 3 15.7 millimeter is cutout is this is a this, and okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, and click a revolve boss base, and click this. Okay, all is perfect. Looking here, click OK. Okay, but some point is very important. This is this face. This face is a sketch here, sketch normal, drawing a hexagon. Okay, drawing a circle, a big circle, and also drawing a hexagon. Hexagon is this line is a vertical. Okay, line is a vertical, and this is a this point to this is a 9 mm, and also select this is a 11 mm is perfect, and this is a 9 mm, and this is a 11 mm is this. Okay, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is perfect, and use a 5 mm only, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. And this face select here, a sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Circle is a this, and this circle is a 2 mm, and extrude cut is apply here. Extrude cut is a 15.7, because, and you can see here easily this is a perfect and correct, and use a this is a 12.7 plus 3, this distance is 3, and this is a use a 12.7, 15.7. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and use a section and click OK. This is a looking nice, and OK. And also select a front plane, sketch normal, drawing a center line to this to this, this to this, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, circle is this, and drawing a line connect to this to this. Okay, and this is use a trim, and trim delete here, and this line is a this, and use a revolve boss and click this. Okay, and click OK. This is a, and select this, and use a material is chrome. Okay, and also use this material is apply here, and this material is a brush. Okay, and also this is a perfect, and section view is also, and click OK. This is a looking perfect, and this ball is a drawing here, and ball is a this is a okay. This is a perfect. Okay, and next is a apply a thread, because all is a perfect looking here, and all geometry is one by one is design here. Only a thread is apply here, and thread is a length is 9 mm, and pitch is 1 mm, and M7 size, offset is 2 mm, and thread is apply here a thread, and click OK. This is a, and offset is 2 mm. Okay, and use a okay. This is a perfect, and this is a 9 millimeter. Okay, 9 millimeter and a metric die and M7 multiply 1 millimeter and click OK. Okay, this is a thread is a very nice looking here, and okay, all is looking perfect and all geometry is a design here. Okay, okay, and select okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, all point discuss here are very important, and guys, I hope you will learn all point discuss here are very easily and clearly learn here. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a pin design, and this pin is very useful in office, any university or and any school, college, and this pin is very important. And this is a very important, and this is a use office use here. And guys, and this pin is designed today discuss here and how to this body is designed. And also this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And guys, this is a this body is very nice looking here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view, right view, and this is a right view means side view, and both is this all is a drafting here. And some important point is discussed here. All dimension in millimeter, and dome 1 millimeter is this is a elliptical dome and 1 millimeter, and thickness is 2 millimeter is this thickness is 2 millimeter, and fillet is used here this fillet is used here 18 millimeter. And some important point is discussed here. Okay, and okay, this body is a design here, and this is a looking perfect and correct, and this is a very useful and helpful use office. And okay guys, this is a this lecture is very important for a beginner student is very important also. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is discussed here. Plane is white, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because because this is a all geometry and all body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this and okay, at first drawing this circle, and this circle is this is a use a 10 diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 3 millimeter, and this is a drafting is available. This is a drafting is used here. Angle is 22 degree. Okay, and use a front plane because this body is a looking a front. Okay, and draw a circle, and the circle diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a this is a use a draft on, and angle is a 22 degree. Okay, Okay, and this point is use here, this is use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and okay, and use of fillet is 2 millimeter, and use of this, okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And next is a okay, next is a this line is drawing here, and this line is user this user convert entities, and this 6 degree angle is drafting, and this length is a length is 99 millimeter is perfect. And this face is a sketch, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss, and this length is 9 millimeter, and also this draft angle, this draft is use a 6 degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect. This use a 6 degree angle, and this length is 9 millimeter, and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, and next is also this sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and next is use here this body is design, and use a this and use a this 0.8 millimeter, and this use a 82 degree angle. Okay, also perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this length is 0.88. okay, this is a perfect 0.8. okay, 0.8 millimeter, and this body is correct. And this use a okay, this use a perfect, and this is a correct. This thickness is available here, and this is a use of this, and okay, and use a and this is a 82, and draft outward, and this is a perfect. This use a 0.8 millimeter, and 82 degree is a draft, and draft is outward, and click OK. This is a perfect. And also this face sketch, and this thickness is used here. Okay, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 0.4, and click OK. 0.4. This is a very nice looking here, and correct. This 0.4 thickness is perfect, and use a dome, this feature, and dome is 1 millimeter, and click this face, and use elliptical dome. This is a perfect. Click OK. This is very nice looking here, and this okay, and some color is a okay, this color is select here, and also okay, this is a perfect color, and very nice looking here. And next point is a pin is drawing here, and some use a important point. This pin is this diameter is a 2 millimeter, and at first drawing this inside is 6 millimeter and outward is a 15 millimeter, and again 3 millimeter is 90 degree. Okay, draft is available here. Okay, at first select this face, sketch a normal, or drawing a circle is this, and this use a 2 millimeter diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 6 millimeter inside direction. Okay, and okay, and again this face, sketch normal, and convert entities. Okay, and use extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, and 15 millimeter is a, this is a merge result is unchecked because this is a very important. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this and color is change here, and color is a chrome plate, and okay, chrome plate, and also use a nickel. Nickel is also okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Check undo, and this is a also check nickel. Nickel is perfect, but chrome plate is better. Chrome plate is better. Okay, and next is a, this is a perfect, and also select this face, sketch, convert entities is used here, and also use extrude boss, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a draft angle, and draft angle is a 90 degree. Okay, use a 90, but this is a perfect, and click OK, and also this and chrome plate is used here. And one important point is this is a fillet is a, this thickness is not used here, but some missing point, and this dome is 1 millimeter. Okay, correct, and fillet is a 18 millimeter, and this is a 18 millimeter is very important, and this fillet is used here, and click this line, and this is a 18 millimeter, and click this line and connect to this, and very important for this, and click this fillet, use and use a chrome plate. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. This pin body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a very useful and helpful pipe elbow, and this project is a small project, and this pipe elbow project is very useful and helpful, and this is a very important learner, beginner student is very important this project. Okay, all 2D geometries design here and drafting here and all. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first drawing this bottom view, and this is a front view, and this is section view, and this project is a pipe elbow and all dimension in millimeter, and length and all length is 20 millimeter is this, and pitch is 1.5 is this, and M27 this is a thread is used here, and offset all is a all point is discussed here one by one, and all point is a this a thread. And okay, this is a at first drawing this is a skeleton drawing here, and 42 millimeter, and this fillet is 18 millimeter, and this is a 90-degree angle, and this is a equal length 42 millimeter. Okay, let's start here drawing this. At first select a plane is top plane, and select a at first line is this okay, 90-degree angle is skeleton is at first is drawing here, and both is equal, okay, and this is a 42, okay, this is a correct. And fillet a sketch fillet is used here, and use this okay, and use a 18 millimeter, okay, and click okay. This is a perfect. Okay, 42 millimeter and 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, and exit, and use a swept boss base command is used here, and this is a very important, and use a circular profile, and circular profile is not a 2014 and below, not a 2014 version and below not use here, and 2014 above means 2015, 2016 and above all is all new version in SolidWorks. All circular profile is used, so you can see here, okay, not below version 2014. And okay, this is a circular profile is used here, and this is a use a 28 millimeter is correct, okay, and this is a 28 millimeter is correct. But one point is also discussed here. This is a thin is 3 millimeter, and all is correct, and this is a thin feature is used here, and this is a 3 millimeter is correct, 3 millimeter, and direction is one direction, and this is a outside, and this is inside, this is a outside, okay, this is a correct, okay, this is a perfect, outside is a perfect, and click OK. Okay, and page select here, image quality is very high, okay, this is a perfect, okay, this point is correct, and and next is drawing here. This is a sum boundary, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, and this is a inward direction, and this is a circle is drawing here. This is a 38 millimeter, and all value is thread, but this is a correct. Okay, at first select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Select a center point and use this, and diameter is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use this edge is also convert entities, because this is a open, and not use a convert entities, then this is a close. okay, use a extrude base, this is open, and not use this inward fillet, then this is a close. Okay. This edge is also select here, and this is a 5 millimeter thickness and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct here. And also change here 6 millimeter is also 6.2 is better, and direction is inward is correct. Okay, and same and normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, and this circle is diameter is 38 is correct, and also this edge is convert entities because this mouth is open, and not use a convert entities, then this mouth is closed. And also same, this is a blind and 6.2 millimeter and merge result, all is correct. Okay, but direction is a okay, this is a correct, but direction is a upward, means change here downward. Okay, this is a correct, this is a inward direction is correct. And next is a use a thread is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is length, and pitch is 1.5, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. 1 by 1 is used here, and use a thread is a this. Okay, and at first select a any edge is this, and use a this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and next is a use here this is a metric die, and metric type is also very use, and this metric type is, and this is a correct N27 and 1.5. okay, this is a correct okay, M27 1.5. okay, this is a correct M27 and 1.5. okay, also correct M22 is also better. Okay, M22 is mentioned here, and metric die is also correct M27 1.2 is not correct here. M22 multiply 1.2 is correct, but this is a metric type. M27 is also this is a, and use offset is 2.2 millimeter is offset, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct, and 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct and also use here metric to die, and all is looking perfect and use a 22 millimeter, and this is a correct and all is nice looking here. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a metric type is correct, and metric tape and 22. Okay, correct. Metric tape is and 1.5 is better. This is a M22. Okay, this is a also, guys, you can see here also change here easily and clearly, but this is a simple use learn. M22 is also better because this M27 is not mentioned here. M20 correct value is M22 multiply 1.5. okay, this is a correct. Metric tape is also better and all is correct. Okay, and same use this, use a thread and use here, and all is correct. M20 metric tape and all is correct. And this is offset is 2 millimeter is downward, this is a upward. Okay, and all is correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. And this value and this, press a control button and change a color is this. Okay, and also use a metal chrome, this is a bronze, and this is a use this, and apply apply here this is a perfect and correct. And also isometric is this, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay guys, any doubt about this lecture? Guys, I hope you will learn this project is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a part 10. Is this lecture is very very important, and this lecture is a valve cover design and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. And this is a valve cover design, and valve cover design is very very important. And this cover is this cover is a back side, and this cover is this and also all dimension in millimeter. And also this is isometric view, and also 2D drafting is available here. And all dimension is you can see here on the screen. And this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view. All dimension you can see here easily and clearly. And this all dimension is a help of all this body is design. And this project is a stop wall project, and all parts is separate one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is design, and this body is a valve cover design. And how to this body is easily and clearly is a drawing here. And today discuss here a very very important lecture. And this lecture is very very important for a beginner student, and also professional student is also better. And all is looking perfect, and both side is you can see here on the screen. This is a very nice looking here, and the material is a brush. Okay, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly today discuss here. Let's start here this body is design. At first some setting is very very important. First is this use a plain white and this going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and at first select right plane is better, and right plane all dimension you can see here on the screen, and this a simple geometry is drawing here, and a big diameter radius is a 138 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and this radius is 81 millimeter distance, and this is a 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this distance is 47 millimeter, and this is a length is a 22 millimeter, and this is 6 millimeter is this, and 6 millimeter is this, and 14 millimeter is this, and this is distance is a 48 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 60 degree angle. Okay, at first select a right plane. At first drawing a 2 reference line, because this reference line is very useful. Okay, and select again a reference line. This is a horizontal, and this is a horizontal line, and this is a vertical line. 2 reference line is drawing here, and click a line and draw a simple geometry is drawing here, because this geometry is a very useful this body is design. Okay, and this is a perfect, and okay, and this is a simple. Okay, this is a simple geometry is a drawing here. This curve is a drawing here, this not any relation. Okay, this is a perfect, this drawing here. Okay, and any this line is a this this is a okay, and this to connect to this. Okay, this is a simple geometry drawing here, and mention all dimension. At first drawing this point, and this line is a drawing here. A distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, and use this point, and this distance is a 35 millimeter. Okay, okay, and use a select this point, and this distance is a 88 millimeter. Okay, and select this line, and this is a 138 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is a 22 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and select this. Okay, and this distance is a 6 millimeter, and again select this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is a 14 millimeter. This is a 47 millimeter is perfect, and select this point, and this line is a distance is a this distance is a 47. Okay, okay, and all is a perfect and correct. Okay, and select this point, and this distance is a 81 millimeter. Okay, Okay, and this is a distance is a 28 millimeter, this and perfect, and this distance is a this 2, and this distance is a 48 millimeter is this. Okay, and select this, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, this angle is a 60-degree angle is perfect. 60-degree angle. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and this relation, this point and this relation is a horizontal. Okay, okay, all is a black color, means this is a fully defined and perfect. Okay, all is correct, and guys, this is a very useful. Okay, and this is a perfect 48 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter, and 35 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter, and this is a 35 millimeter, 47 millimeter. In all geometry is a, you can see here. Okay, all geometry is a 1 by 1 is a use here this. Okay, and going to this revolve boss base, and select this axis of revolution, and then this convert a 3D body. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again select this use select this face, sketch normal, and reference line is a drawing here, this to this, and this line is a very important, and select this a pattern, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter, and this distance is a 112.5 millimeter is this, and pattern is 6 pattern. Okay, and this distance is not mentioned here, but this distance is a 120 millimeter this. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct, and okay, this distance is mentioned here this. Okay, but this apply a thread, and then distance is a 120. Okay, and use a circle drawing here this, and this is a vertical line, and this distance is a this point to this is a 112.5 millimeter, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and use a X pattern or circular pattern is perfect, and select this point, and use this pattern, and pattern is a 6 pattern, and equal spacing and 360-degree angle. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and click OK, and again select going to extrude cut. Extrude cut is a through all, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and whole wizard is apply here, and select this face, sketch. Okay, not mentioned, but this is a normal. Okay, and this is a normal is perfect, and going to whole wizard. Whole wizard use this a state tab. State tab is perfect, and at first select this 2 hole. First and second 2 hole is a size is M24, and 2 size is a 2 hole is size is M12. Okay, and at first select this state tab, and a standard is ISO, and type is a bottoming tapered hole, perfect, and size is a M24. First is M24, and blind is this, and this is a okay, and perfect and correct mention here. Okay, this is perfect. Some important point discuss here. Okay, this use a 27 millimeter and this use a 24 millimeter is perfect, and all is correct. First is use here this 27 millimeter and this is 24 millimeter, and size is M24, and okay, all is perfect, and going to position, and this is a sketch normal. Okay, and drawing a reference line. Reference line is perfect drawing here because this use a mid plane. Okay, select this line and press a control button and select this point and use a mid plane. Okay, and all is perfect, and dimension is mentioned here. This is a 120 millimeter. Okay, 120 millimeter is perfect. Okay, and this use a point and automatic. This is a okay, first point and second. Okay, and click OK. Okay, okay, this is a not thread is mentioned here, and again select going to this option, document properties and detailing, and this check here a shaded cosmetic thread, then automatic select this thread is showing here. Okay, this thread is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, and perfect, and again select going to this whole wizard, and this going to M12 size is a M12. Again select a state type, a standard is ISO, and bottoming tapered hole, and size is M12. M12 is a perfect. Okay, and this is a and this is a perfect. Okay, this use of 15 and this use a 12. Okay, and this line is this 15 millimeter and this is a 12 millimeter, and also perfect. And going to this okay. Some important point. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a perfect and correct, and size is M12, and all is perfect. And going to option, and this select this and the normal. Okay, and going to a reference line, drawing here this to this, and this line I press a control button and select this point, and this is a mid plane, and dimension is a 88 millimeter is perfect. This is a 88 millimeter is perfect, and going to this point, and both side is the first point and second point. Okay, and okay. Okay, all is perfect and correct. This thread is also this, and apply this brush. Okay, all is mentioned here this, Okay, all point is discussed here. Easily and clearly. And okay guys, this is a mention here, 138 millimeter is this radius, and then 276 millimeter is diameter is same, and 22 millimeter, and this is a same here, and 6 millimeter is also same here, and this 138 millimeter, and this diameter is a 276 millimeter. This radius is 88 millimeter, this diameter is a 176 millimeter, and this 28 millimeter is radius, then diameter is a 56 millimeter is same. Okay, all is perfect. All dimension is you can see here. Okay, and isometric view is this. Okay, and back side is this is a perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, and guys, all point is discussed here one by one. All is correct. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this part is designed easily and clearly. And this part is a spindle, and this part is a spindle design, and all 2D drafting is also available here. And how to this part is designed easily and clearly to discuss here. And this body is a valve design project. Okay, this is a valve project design, and valve design project is very important, and all is a assemble here. And this part is a this spindle, and this spindle is very useful, and this lecture is very useful and helpful for a beginner, a student. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed easily, and 2D drafting is also available here. And this body is looking perfect, and this is a spindle. Okay, so nice looking here. Okay, this is a very nice. Okay, so let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select a part is this, and some important setting is a very important, and plain white, and going to this option, and document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, and this dimension is a this is a perfect, and this 2D drafting is perfect, and this full length is a 87 millimeter. Okay, this length is a 8 millimeter, but some increase and decrease also. This is a 11, and 11 millimeter is also perfect, but this is a 8 millimeter, and this is a 3 millimeter. This length is radius is 5 millimeter, and this is a 7 millimeter, and this distance is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 13 millimeter. Okay, and this radius is a 12 millimeter, and this distance is 1.4 millimeter, and this center line to this distance is 4 millimeter, and this upper length is this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, one by one is a drawing here. Okay, and this plane is used here. This is a front plane is better. Okay, use a front plane, and drawing a center line because this is a reference line. Okay, drawing a center line this. Okay, and this dimension is a use here 87 millimeter. Okay, and select a line, and the line is drawing a geometry. Then this drawing here this and this okay, this is a perfect and drawing here, and also this okay, and drawing this distance to this. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is a drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect and this is also drawing this. Okay, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect. Okay, this line is this. Okay, and drawing this and this. Okay, and connect to this 3-point arc, and this. Okay, this length is also this drawing here, and connect to 3-point arc, connect to this point, this to connect to this. Okay, and this okay, and all dimension is mentioned here. This distance is 3 mm. Okay, and this distance is 3 mm, and this is 8 mm. This distance is 8 mm, but 11 mm is also better. Okay, and this is 12 mm. Okay, and this distance is 5 mm. Okay, and this is 7 mm, and this is 4 mm. Okay, and this line, and press a control button and select this line and this line. 3 line is a connect. This is a collinear. Okay, some. Okay, this is 5 mm, and this line and this line to this line, and this line, press a control button, and this line is a collinear. Okay, and this is a 7 mm, and this is a 4 mm. Okay, and this use okay, this is a 4 mm. Okay, this is a 4 mm, and select this and going to this. Okay, this use a 5 mm is this, 7 mm is this, and 4 mm is this. Okay, and this radius is a 12 mm, and this radius is a 12 mm. Okay, and this distance is a this distance is a 13 mm, and this is a 7 mm, and this point distance is a 7 millimeter. Okay, and again select this distance is a 13 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a better. Okay, and this line and this line is a relation is a equal. Okay, and some use a this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, this distance is a 3 millimeter is perfect, and this is 7 millimeter is correct, and this is a this point to this. Okay, and again select this point. Okay, this is a 3 millimeter. Okay, okay, and this use a 7 millimeter is this. Okay, and this is a 1.4 millimeter is perfect. Okay, so 1.4 millimeter is perfect, and this is a 3, and this use a 7 millimeter is this to this. Okay. Okay, all is a black color means this is a fully defined. Okay, this is a perfect, and this distance is a 7 millimeter, and okay, and this distance is a 4 millimeter, and this 7 millimeter. Okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, 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 some missing point is a okay, all is perfect and correct, no missing point, all is correct and perfect, and going to this feature and revolve boss base, and okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and this is the important point is a this use a chamfer is used here 1 millimeter 45 degree angle and 2 millimeter 45 degree angle is perfect, and going to this chamfer and 1 millimeter 45 degree angle this. Okay, and again select a chamfer a 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and select a this to this, click OK. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a use here this is drawing here extrude cut is a 6 millimeter, and also 7 millimeter is perfect, but 6 millimeter, and this is a distance is a 8 millimeter. Okay, select this face, sketch, normal, drawing a 3-point corner rectangle, and select this to this okay, and to center line is connect to this, and again select this to this. Okay, and this line and this line is equal. Okay, and this line is a vertical, and press this line and press a control button and select this point, and this midpoint. Okay, and this distance is 8 mm is perfect. Okay, and extrude cut is a 7 mm, and extrude cut is a 7 mm is perfect, and flip side to cut. Okay, and 6 mm is also, but 7 mm is correct. And okay, all is perfect and correct, and okay, this is a better. And this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and going to metal and chrome, and chrome is apply here this, and one point is also okay, one is a okay, going to this option, document properties, and detailing, and cosmetic thread is apply here, and check this. Okay, cosmetic thread. Okay, and going to this thread. Okay, going to this insert and annotation and cosmetic thread, and apply here this, and this is a 9 mm is okay. Cosmetic thread is this blind, and going to please enter number between 1 to 6. Okay, 5.5. okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better and perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, this body is designed easily and clearly, and guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.